Instagram has so much fantastic content if you know the right accounts to follow. In this video, I want to share a few of the accounts that I follow to help stay inspired. First up on the list, from Denmark, is Martin Folk 3D. I've been following Martin since he was on about 2,000 followers, and he shares a range of 3D printing projects and really makes you feel like you're part of the build, so saves you some time if you don't want to do them yourself. Seeing projects like this really makes you think about 3D printing as more than just a single component tool, but as part of a fully functional assembly. This one in particular is a full-scale model of a Mazda engine. Really cool. Next on the list, from Norway, 3D Print Dad. Again, like Martin, I've been following Trond since he was a much smaller account, and his content has been of a consistently high standard. 3D Print Dad prints a lot of smaller items, sometimes for his kids, so it's a great indication of little things that you could print to give away. Now from the UK, we have FilamentFrenzy. Tom is a master of 3D printing, so following this account will show you what is capable of a very well-tuned printer. You can also expect a variety of different filaments showcased, macro shots, and also tool changer prints with either multicolour or multi-materials, which always blow me away. Now across to Poland, where we have UAUProject. This is a company that pushes the bounds of creative printing in a direction which I personally would never have thought to go. They explore colours and shapes to create items completely unique for your home. From one company to another, this time in Italy, we have 3D Wasp. These guys have been around for a number of years and initially came out with an FDM Delta printer. They've really pushed the bounds of this technology into paste extrusions and now more recently into the construction industry. They have quite a variety of different avenues, so it's a really interesting account to follow. Now over to Spain, where we have Flowalistic. Agustin is a 3D printer professor. He provides courses for 3D printing, but also releases projects that you can do yourself at home. Most recently is his cardboard pulp project, allowing you to create things from cardboard waste, which I think is absolutely awesome. Next on the list is FilamentJunkie from Portugal. A little bit of a curveball because a much smaller account, but the stuff this guy shares is next level. Post-processed and painted to an incredibly high standard. I mean, look at this, just brilliant. Now we go to the Netherlands with @RealPreciousPlastics. This was a project started by Dave Hackins back in 2013 and has gone from strength to strength, which is fantastic as obviously sustainability is at the core of this business. Well, it is the business. I think it's great to follow businesses like this as a constant reminder of sustainability and inspiration of how you can bring this into your own business. For the filament obsessed, I think you've met your match with this one. Courtney, over at FilamentStories in the States, has one of the most impressive collections of filament I have ever seen. I'm jealous, to be honest. If you scroll down and find her filament fallout shelter, you'll see just what I mean. Following this account, you will see a range of materials from many different companies all over the world, so it really is brilliant inspiration.
Joel Telling, I hear you need help organizing your filament, and I love filament and I love organizing. So I'll meet you over on the YouTube FilamentStories channel and we'll see what we can do about getting your filament organized like my filament fallout shelter.
And the final recommendation I have for you, of course, is 3D Tomorrow. Biased, I know. But having recently entered the filament manufacturing space, I know there's so much room to create new materials, and I think in the future I could have some pretty cool things to show you. In this video, I've tried to steer clear of the main YouTube accounts, but I couldn't help but give an honourable mention to Devon Montz at Make.Anything, whose own catchphrase is "Stay Inspired." Devon's Instagram is completely different to his YouTube channel and showcases his projects in a much more artistic medium, so is worth a mention in its own right. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'd love to hear the sort of Instagram accounts you follow to stay inspired. Let me know in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers.